SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
Come test drive the 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, ashtray, lighter element, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.